Doing competitor research and losing half your tabs? Here's how I save everything. Pricing pages, articles, all of it, in one click with Fabric. First, head to fabric.so/download/web-clipper and hit Install for Chrome. That drops you on the web store. Click Add to Chrome, confirm, and it's in. Quick tip, click the puzzle piece icon and pin Fabric to your toolbar. You'll be using it a lot, so you want it one click away, not buried. One last thing before we save anything, click the icon and sign in. It won't save a single page until you're logged in, so get that out of the way now. Now let's actually use it. I'm on a competitor's pricing page. I just click the Fabric icon, hit Save this website to Fabric, and it grabs the whole page with a preview. Same thing for the next one, and the next. 3 competitor pricing pages saved, no copy pasting, no screenshots. Found a review article mid-scroll? Same click. Fabric saves the text, images, and the link back to the source, so you never lose where it came from. Now flip over to Fabric itself. Right on the home page, under Recent Items, there they are. All 4 pages I just saved, each with its own preview card and the source link right underneath it. Click into any of them, and Fabric gives you 3 views: Reader for the clean text, Screenshot for exactly what the page looked like, and Metadata for the page description and images. Everything about that page saved in one place. That's it. 4 pages saved, organized, and 1 click away in under 2 minutes. No more tab hoarding. Go grab the Clipper and try it on your next research session.